I just got this brand new Satechi 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger for iPhone 12 and AirPods, so let's check it out. Hey, I'm Jerry, and in my constant crazy endeavor to find the perfect wireless chargers, my newest purchase is this brand new Satechi 2-in-1 wireless charger for iPhone 12 and AirPods. Satechi announced this product, I don't know, a number of weeks or months ago, and I pre-ordered it and I just received it. It's still available for pre-order today if you want to pick it up, and you can still get 20% off on their website. There'll be a link below to Satechi's website. But let's just get this thing unboxed and take a look at it. So as you can see from the front of the box, this charging stand, of course, holds the phone magnetically, and then it has a base down here for your AirPods. And you can see the back of the stand here. It's got, looks like a aluminum or chrome looking stand to hold the iPhone, and then you got the white magnetic charging puck up here for the phone, and then down here is where your AirPods would go. But let's check it out. Maybe. We'll just cut right through that. We don't care about the box. Okay. Look at that. And there it is. So the charging puck is bigger than I expected. It's bigger than the Belkin Boost Charge Pro wireless charging puck, and it's actually slightly bigger than Apple's MagSafe charging puck that they sell. But the stand itself has a nice feeling weight to it. It actually feels very sturdy, like it's not gonna really go anywhere. Although, oh, you know what? It's actually adjustable too, so you can tilt the angle of the charging pad. So if you wanna tilt it up or down when it's sitting on your desk or on your nightstand, you can do that. So that's, I wasn't expecting that. Also inside the box, it looks like we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. And you know what? There's no charger. So that's a little surprising that there is actually no charger in the box for the Satechi wireless charging stand. And it looks like the little booklet tells you to connect the cable, and there's a light on the front, and whatever. Let's give it a shot. Luckily, I have a USB-C charger right over here, so we can plug this guy in and check it out. The wireless charger that I'm plugged in over there is actually power delivery, so it should work just fine. Now, one thing to note is that although this is a magnetic charger for the iPhone 12, this is not considered MagSafe. MagSafe can do up to 15 watts of charging for the iPhone 12. This Satechi wireless charging magnetic charging stand only charges at 7.5 watts for the iPhone that connects to this with magnets, and then 5 watts for the AirPods or AirPods Pro. I of course happen to have my AirPods with me all the time. They're always in my pocket, as I've discussed in plenty of videos. And if we just rest it here on the top there, we get a green charging light. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me see. No light, green light. On the front, there's also a subdued little status light up here that tells you that something's charging. See if you can see that in this camera. It's not like those bright blue LEDs that just, you know, burn your retinas at night when you're trying to sleep. This actually seems like it's gonna be very dim. You can see that it's working, but it's not gonna, you know, ruin your sleep. And as far as the iPhone 12 goes, you should just be able to connect it, and it feels sturdy. You can actually, look at that. You can spin this thing around. So removing it, just like other magnetic charging stands for the iPhone 12, if you just kind of tilt it at a little bit of an angle, if you just kind of grab it and then just tilt it up or tilt it to the side, you should be able to pull it right off. If you pull it straight off, if you just try and go straight, it's just gonna move the stand. It's not gonna do anything for you. So you have to kind of give it a little bit of a tilt in one direction or another. But I do like how you can adjust the angle of it, which means, you know, if you're sitting up higher, you have this on a desk and you wanna see it while you're working, you can tilt it up. If you're laying in bed and it's on a nightstand, you can have it kind of straight or even tilted down a little bit so you can see your notifications or hit your alarm or whatever you need to do. And of course, this being a magnetic charger, you can actually turn this to the side and have it in landscape mode, so you can do a FaceTime call, you can watch a video, you can, you know, check out youtube.com/Jerry Schultz and hit subscribe, you know, whatever. But overall, my first impressions of this Satechi magnetic 2-in-1 wireless charging stand is that it's pretty good. You know, it does exactly what it says it's going to do. It holds your phone magnetically, it charges your AirPods, and it looks really good too. So I'm really impressed actually by the build quality of this stand, and I will have no problem placing this in my bedroom or on my desk, anywhere. I think it is really, really well done. So really, my hat's off to Satechi for this magnetic 2-in-1 wireless charger for iPhone 12 and AirPods. It actually looks really good, and I'm definitely going to be using it on my desk right over there. Now, if you have an Apple Watch and you're looking to charge your Apple Watch, your iPhone 12, and your AirPods, maybe something like the Belkin Boost Charge Pro is more of what you're looking for. It's a little bit more expensive, but it does come with the charger and cable, and it charges all 3 devices. And if you're interested in something like that, definitely check out this video right over here. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked it, hit subscribe if you want, and I'll see you next time.